Why teaching? Why you? A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops, by Henry Brooks Adams. Good day to everyone, to our respected school administrators, beloved teachers, supported parents, and most of all to you, our grade 12 students, with the full of potential. Maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. I am truly honored to stand before you today to share a message that is not only close to my heart, but also help the next chapter of your life. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a hero? Not that kind that flies or battles villains, but the kind that molds a future, empowers minds, and lifts others towards other dreams. That is the quiet, powerful role of a teacher. And maybe, just maybe, it's a role waiting for you. Why teaching? Because every profession starts with a teacher. Before there was a doctor, there was a teacher. Before there was a lawyer, an engineer, a pilot, and a president, there was always a teacher. Ang magtutudlo mao ang tinublan sa tanan, or in English, the teacher is the source of all professions. And let me be clear that teaching is not a backup plan. It's not a last choice. It is a mission, a calling, a noble, a world-changing path. John Dewey, the father of progressive education, once said, "Education is not preparation for life. Education is a life itself." You, future teacher, will be one of the deliver that life to others. Grade 12 students, I know many of you are weighing your options, and I respect your dreams, whatever they may be, but allow me to plant a seed. What is the classroom? Is where your true purpose is waiting. What if, instead of just chasing success, you choose to shape it? If you ever help a classmate understand a lesson, if you've ever inspired someone younger than you, if you ever felt enjoy in seeing someone else succeed because of you, then teaching might just the fire already burning in your heart. Teaching is more than a job. When you become a teacher, you're not just giving information. You are a guide to the lost. You are the cheerleader to an insecure, a parent to the neglected, a light in someone's darkest time. Dili lang ka magtutudlo, usa ka ka-inspirasyon. You are not just a teacher, you are an inspiration. Education is a kindling of flame, not the filling of a vessel. And that's what you do. Ignite passion, awaken minds, and empower our hearts. The legal privileges and protections for teachers. And you may ask, "Sir, ma'am, safe ba kung mahimong teacher?" Let me answer you loud and clear. YES. It's a yes. Protected and supported ka. The 1987 Philippine Constitution states, "The states shall assign the highest budgetary priority to education to ensure that teaching will attract and retain its rightful share of the best available talents through adequate remuneration and other means of job satisfaction and fulfillment." You are not just honored, you are legally protected. The Magna Carta for Public School Teachers, or also known as the RA 4670, ensures before we dream of becoming future educators, we must also be aware that our rights and welfare are protected by the law. Teaching is not just a noble, it is legally recognized and respected and rewarded. One of the most powerful legal documents of this is RA 4670, also known as the Magna Carta for teachers. We have just salaries, no discrimination, 6-hour teaching load, free medical checkups, maternity and study leave, hardship allowances, promotion opportunities, right to form association, consent for transfer, additional pay for extra work, extra retirement benefits, increases, and right to join organizations. These are not just words in a document. They are promises. They remind us that teachers are not forgotten. They are valued, protected, and supported by the law. So if anyone tells you, ay, magtutudlo ra ka, hold your head high. You are not just a teacher. You are not just a profession backed by the Constitution. Ang magtutudlo dili pasagdan sa balaod. Gikatagbo o gipanalipad kini. Or, the teacher is not just abandoned by the law. They are heard and protected. The philosophical power teaching. The greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say that children are now working as if I did not exist. That teachers, because real teachers don't create followers, they create leaders. Ang kalapusan sa bata mao ang kalipay sa usa ka magtutudlo. Teacher is no longer the one who teaches, but one who is taught, dialogue with the students. Real impact, real reward. Picture this. Years from now, a successful nurse approaches you and says, "Ma'am, remember me? You believe in me when no one else did. Because of you, I never gave up." That is the true reward. That is the legacy only a teacher can claim. Not all heroes wear capes. Some carry lesson plans, some brings markers and chalks instead of swords. To teach is to touch a life forever. Let's address some myth. They say teachers earn little, but actually, teachers are protected by law with bonuses, salary increasements, and benefits. There's no growth, but actually, teachers can rise to become master's teachers, principals, supervisors, or even teach abroad. Teaching is thankless. Ask any students who says, "Salamat, ma'am, sir." You'll feel the truth. Why take up teacher education? Choosing Bachelor of Elementary Education or Bachelor of Secondary Education is not just choosing a degree. You are choosing to master classroom management, understand child psychology, builds strong character, conduct research, inspire values and critical thinking. You are not just earning a diploma. You are shaping nation. He who opens a school door closes a prison, by Victor Hugo. Kung gusto ka mahimong hinungdan sa kausaban, di sudli ang edukasyon. Or shall I say, if you want to become the cause of change, enter the world of education. Before I leave this stage, I want to express my deepest thanks to everyone who made this event possible, to the teachers who guided you all these years, and most all of you, to you dear students, for listening with open hearts and open minds. As you make one of the biggest decisions of your life, I hope that I will remember this moment, and you will also remember this moment. I hope you will remember that your voices matters, your dreams are valid, and you maybe, your destiny lies in a classroom inspiring young minds, changing lives, and building the future. Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay. Thank you, and you may your journey be guided by purpose and passion. And with that, I am Shaina Faith Garsota, telling you that teacher is not just a job. This is the noblest profession of all.